Methods to prevent pregnancy. May be married, may not be married. That's a social criteria. So oral contraceptive means these are oral pills and injectables are injections. What is the constituents of oral contraceptive pill? Estrogen and progesterone. What is the estrogen here? Ethinyl estradiol. So this is a synthetic estrogen. And progesterone? Progesterone, first say progesterone, and these are all progesterone derivatives. So how many generations of progesterones do you know of? 4th generation. First generation progesterone, can you name any? Norethindrel. This is a first generation. We do not use first generation anymore. Second generation, levonorgestrel. Third generation, desogestrel. Fourth generation, but I am mentioning only those names which are used. There are several pertaining to each generation, but I am mentioning those which are in the market. Okay, so what is the 4th generation progesterone? Any idea? No idea. কে পড়ে আসবে বলেছিল? Class attend করার আগে that whatever class you are attending. 4th generation progesterone. Stand up and say. 4th generation progesterone. What do you mean by it? Fourth. No. It is according to the type of progesterone. Generation is the depending on the progesterone. Drospirenone, ulipristal, dynogest. These are all 4th generation. মনে আছে তো বললেন না কেন? বলতে হবে। Okay. বসো। What is this? How do you define this OCP? Combined oral contraceptive pill. Why combine? 2 components are there. And how many types of oral contraceptive pills? There are low dose pills. Depending on what low dose pills. Why do we call it low dose? Here the estrogen component is low. Initially estrogen was used as 50 microgram. But now it has come down to lowest what? 20. 20 is in the market. Can you name them? Name the combination, brand. Loet, 20 microgram. And what is the ratio of estrogen and progesterone? It is usually 1:5. Estrogen is lesser in amount than progesterone. Which component we want to reduce? Estrogen. Why? What are the side effects? It causes more of thrombosis, arterial vascular thrombosis. So there's a chance of myocardial infarction, cerebral stroke. These are caused by estrogen. And what progesterone causes is metabolic disturbance. That is, it has effect on glucose metabolism, lipid metabolism. So we are trying to get a progesterone which has least adverse effect on the metabolic factors like glucose levels and lipid levels. So this is how the generations are made. 4th generation is more lipid friendly, and that is why we are using that drospirenone. But vascular complications, these venous thromboembolism, these are more common with progesterone. Pick up a oral contraceptive pill from this ইয়ে পেছন থেকে এসো, সবাই কমফোর্টেবলি পেছনে বসলে হবে না। Someone from behind, come forward. Anyone? Pick up a contraceptive, combined oral contraceptive pill from this. Volunteer, someone from behind. সবাই লুকিয়ে গেলে হবে কি? দেখতে পাচ্ছি না সবাই। Come. Come up. এখানে, come here. Pick up a low dose contraceptive pill from this bundle. Okay, contraceptive pill, oral contraceptive pill. Pick up. It is a contraceptive pill. It is a contraceptive pill, but does it have any hormonal components? No. So it is a non-hormonal contraceptive pill. How do you use it? Since you have picked up this, you know the use. Twice weekly for first 3 months, then once weekly to continue. What is this Sencroman? Yes, this is a non-hormonal contraceptive. He has picked up the difficult one first. That is his choice. But usually we don't start with this. What is a more commoner contraceptive pill? With pick up a contraceptive pill with 4th generation progesterone. Konta? Why this?
This is drospirenol.
Fourth generation. That is why drospirenol. This is more lipid friendly, and we now use this more often. And what is the composition of estrogen in this? No estrogen. Combined oral contraceptive pill. No estrogen বললে হবে?
তো ম্যাম এটাতে 20 মাইক্রোগ্রাম 30 মাইক্রোগ্রাম
লেখাই আছে তো,
দেখি
দেখতে হবে। লেখা আছে, Dronis 30 লেখা আছে। Dronis is company's name. Drospirenol and ethinyl estradiol. So what is the composition of drospirenol?
spironol actually derivative.
It causes less fluid retention, less anti-mineralocorticoid activity. What do you mean by anti-mineralocorticoid activity?
Mineralocorticoid is aldosterone.
It will cause less fluid retention. So we have less of fluid retention, bloating. These are symptoms present in the premenstrual phase. These symptoms will be lower with this. It is just to bring you, getting yourself apprised of these. কাছে না আসলে দেখতে পাবে না। আর ড্রসপেরনের কম্পোজিশন কত এখানে? There 30 microgram ethinyl estradiol. Drospirenol is 3 milligram. Any other progesterone can be used in a contraceptive pill, which is second generation. That is 150 microgram. 0.15 milligram. 0.15 milligram. You remember in microgram. 150 microgram, 30 microgram. Easier to remember. 5:1. Progesterone is higher in quantity. Estrogen we want to reduce because estrogen has more deleterious effects. Any other pill you would like to choose? What other pills are in the market? Malayan. Malayan's composition you should know. What is the composition?
Non-ethylsterol acetate. Non-ethylsterol acetate.
No. Levonorgestrel. Norethistron এটা নয়, it is levonorgestrel. এটা overall L দিয়েছে, composition একই। This is 150 microgram of levonorgestrel and ethinyl estradiol 30. Okay. Any other progesterone can be used. Saptoterone can be used. POP pill. Now, I'm talking about combined pills. Combined pills, progesterone is seen, it is changing in their generation. second generation, third generation. We have levonorgestrel, desogestrel, dynogest, drospirenone, all as the progesterone component of the combined oral contraceptive pill, COCP. And these are all hormonal. Apart from the one that you have picked up, that is Centroman, is non-hormonal. That is also in the government supply. Have you heard of progesterone only pill?
Yes, ma'am.
Progesterone only pill? I pill. What is the composition of I pill?
Only liberal distance.
What is, how is it marketed here? Easy pill. Easy pill, Malayan as levonorgestrel, then Chaya as Centroman, and Ontura, we are coming to it later on. These are marketed by Government of India. Patients have it free from the government places, and some are supplied by the ASHA workers, accredited social health activists. ASHA. আচ্ছা আর কি আছে এখানে how do you use easy pill or levonorgestrel? What is the composition? 1500 microgram. And what is the way you use it?
Within 72 hours.
As early as possible after an unprotected coitus, preferably within 72 hours, as soon as possible. Previously, this used to be used as 2 tablets, 750 microgram, stat dose, and another one to be repeated after 12 hours, but both to be taken within 72 hours. Okay, nowadays a single dose will suffice. And progesterone only pill, that is mini pill, that is desogestrel, 75 micrograms of desogestrel. This is not here. That is a lactational, during LAM, lactational method of contraception is a method when the patient is lactating. Lactational amenorrhea, you can use a progesterone only pill. Why you can use a progesterone only pill? Why don't you use the estrogen pill?
It will not have any bad effect on the
Milk production will go down if you use a combined oral contraceptive pills. Okay, what is the method of using a oral contraceptive pill? This one. We go back to the first Malayan. No. Normal. How do you advise a patient? How do you advise? A patient has come to you, a young patient, newly married. Gather ওটা জানো? Greet, ask, tell, help, explain, return. Okay, gather. You give her an option, a sort of a cafeteria choice. Greet her. If you force her, you use this, you do this, she will not listen. Okay, and how do you use a contraceptive pill? What advice will you give?
On the first day of the menstrual cycle, we have to ask the patient, we will tell the patient to use it for the next 21 days. And after that, if there are 7...
Achha, just a minute. How many pills are there in a...
21 pills and 7 iron pills medicated will be there.
Active pills are 21 and 7 are iron pills. Why iron pills?
So, anemia is a result for
And to keep a record, so that she doesn't miss. And on the reverse side, what do you see? Direction, and on the days also. Sometimes the days are also given. Here you start from any one point. You start like this and you follow the arrow and you complete it. This in red is the iron pills. The color is different. Is it a monophasic pill or multiphasic pill? Monophasic. Why monophasic? Estrogen and progesterone components are not changing throughout the cycle. We had a triquiller named triphasic pill in which the progesterone component and the progesterone component was changing. Here it is same. Same means the color will be the same. All the active pills are same colors. But if it is triphasic, 3 colors, 3 phases are maintained. That is bit confusing for the patient. So you tell her to take the pills preferably from the first day of menstrual cycle. But if she is not being able to take it on first day, tell her to take it on the first 5 days of a cycle. Start the pills within first 5 days. What is a menstrual calendar? Anyone? How do you maintain, how do you manage, how do you keep a record of a menstrual calendar? You have to keep the record of the first day of the menstrual cycle, keep a track, and you follow up. You start counting from that day and go on counting till you have the next period. So day 1, day 2, day 3, day 31, 33, 35, period starts again. Another day 1 starts. So this is the cycle length, 35-day cycle. It can be different for different individuals, but we have a range around 24 to 38. If someone is menstruating every month at 35, 37 days, that is normal for her. But someone who is menstruating, say, 24 cycle length in this cycle, then again 45, then again 15, this is irregular. This is abnormal uterine bleeding. Which type of abnormal uterine bleeding? AUB? O. Mostly ovulatory dysfunction. Usually. Clear? So, which patients will you advise to take a combined oral contraceptive pill?
They have regular cycles.
No. Which patients will you advise? What is the subset of patients whom you will advise this? Newly married couple, age limit. How long can you use it at what? From menarche to 40. Menarche to 40, it can be used. Not always for contraception. There are some non-contraceptive use also. Can you name one non-contraceptive use? PCOS. Anything else? Anemia. She's having too much of bleeding, heavy menstrual bleeding. You give her OCP, she will have a controlled period. Bleeding will be less. That is beneficial for an anemic person. Okay, someone who is having heavy bleeds, you can prescribe this. No harm done. People have a taboo that why are you giving me a contraceptive pill? I'm not married. Then why are you prescribing this? Explain to the patient that we are giving it to you for a different cause. For regularization of cycle, for PCOS patients, for hirsutism, can it be? If PCOS, there is hirsutism, so that can be used for that. There are some benefits also. Acne, hirsutism, this can be improved. It increases bone mineral density. Rheumatoid arthritis reduces in it. That is for a later age. Usually, there are 4 categories of usage of OCP. First, category 1 are those patients whom you can use liberally. You don't have to, there is no risk. Which are those patients? From menarche to 40. They might have, say, fibroid, endometriosis, AUB. They can have ovarian cysts, gestational trophoblastic disease they may have. After a molar pregnancy, HCG titer is monitored. Have you any idea of molar pregnancy? Someone is sleeping behind. Stop sleeping after a lunch break. Wake up. So molar pregnancy, the HCG level should go down, then only you use it. Otherwise, there can be confusion. Okay, you can use in case of tuberculosis, varicose veins, you can use it. but there are some restrictions. Category 2, category 3, WHO category 2 and 3, there the risks are there, but still we use because the benefit is more than the risks. That is, the risk-benefit ratio is to be taken into account. Which are these patients? Suppose she has mild hypertension, but it is controlled. She is over 40, but she is metabolically stable. She is a smoker, but not too much. Coming to it, 35 years, 40 was the cutoff for a normal lady, without any addiction. But for a smoker, it is 35 is the cutoff. Okay, she might be having gallbladder disease, she might have mild hypertension, diabetes, all in milder forms. Ovarian cyst is not a contraindication. Is there an increased chance of cancer with these pills?
Breast and cervical cancer.
No, there is a point to it. Endometrial cancer, ovarian cancer is reduced. Almost 50% reduction. First, don't go with the negative thoughts. People will not use it. Public should not be demotivated from using OCP. There are many positive benefits. Okay, and one that you are saying, it doesn't, there is no record that cancer service has increased. But what is important is when the pill users are using these pills, they are sexually perhaps more active because they are confident that they will not get pregnant. So this is a different study. We have to do HPV typing, the virus that causes the cancer cervix. We have to see what is the exposure rate. So you cannot stand there, if you take pills, you will have cancer cervix. No one will take pills then. It is not linear. Linear means that it is not proportionally increased in those patients who are taking pills. Cancer cervix has not been shown to be increased. So don't go about with this message. Tell them you will have less chance of ovarian cancer, less chance of endometrial cancer, less chance of colonic cancer, colorectal cancer. Why? Because that is genetically determined. Lynch syndrome, there is endometrial cancer, ovarian cancer and colonic cancer. These are linked. Okay, we will not go into this, but you can use it for these patients. Okay. Category 3, you cannot use it during puerperium. Can you use it immediately after birth? No. Why? Why cannot you use it immediately after birth? What is the time limit after which you can use it? 6 months for a lactating mother. A mother who is not feeding, you can use it after 3 weeks. 3 weeks for non-lactating. 3 weeks for non-lactating. 6 months for lactating. In between this 6 weeks to 6 months, you can use. But there is bit increased risk. Risks outweigh the benefits. This is category 3. Immediate postpartum is category 4. Do not use. Okay, and do not use in case of patients having a history of say cancer cervix. And there are some absolute contraindications where you will not use it. What are those? Any idea in which patients you will not use it at all? DVT patient, that means she has arterial or venous thrombotic, she is more prone to have it. Diabetic, severe diabetes with vasculopathy. Mild diabetes we have entered into category 2. Severe diabetes with vascular complications. Severe hypertension. Then heart disease, valvular disease, ischemic disease. In these cases, these are absolute contraindications. Don't use it. Because there can be, why don't you use it? কি হলো কি সমস্যা কি কারো হয়ে গেছে কিছু অসুবিধা no fine what is the risk if you use it in these patients what is the risk there is a chance of venous thrombosis and embolism, VTE. So there can be a myocardial infarction, cardiac arrest, stroke hote pare. What is stroke? Cerebrovascular accident. So there is less blood into the cerebral circulation. Patient can fall unconscious. She can stay in that state for a long period. That is a different thing. We will not use it for these patients. Absolutely contraindicated. In case of liver disease, cirrhosis liver, in case of liver adenoma, liver cancer, you will not use it. Why? Because these drugs are steroids. These are metabolized in liver. So you have to be very careful in cardiovascular complications and liver complications. You will not use it. And few others, immediate postpartum, no use. History of breast cancer, do not use. If you are planning a surgery, do not use. Why? Because if you are undergoing any surgery, say limb surgery or pelvic surgery, you have to lie down. There can be chance of thrombosis. Again, chance of thromboembolism. So we have to, suppose a patient is on OCP, oral contraceptive pill, and she is posted for a surgery. Say she is posted for lap hysterectomy or whatever. We are gynecologists, we are talking on those terms, but she can go for any, suppose she has met with an accident. You have to switch off OCP. Usually it is switched off. If it is a planned surgery, you can switch off 2 months before to reduce the venous thrombosis and embolic, these VT complications. You stop it and do it. You have to give other methods, heparin use could be, but it is important. But usually nowadays there are anesthetic protection to it. But if you plan out a surgery, you stop it before 2 months. Clear? And progesterone only pill that we were talking about, that is POP pill. It can be used also in as a morning after pill and as a lactation period. So what was the composition of a POP pill? Desogestrel 75. The brand name Cerazette. Cerazette 75 microgram of desogestrel. You have to take it every day. But there is a big but here. If you miss a pill, then what happens?
Next day,
You have not asked me which pill. Is it a COCP or is it a POP? POP or COP? COCP, if you miss, how many active pills are there in a combined oral contraceptive pills?
21.
That lady there, good name please, in red jacket. What is the composition of a regular oral contraceptive pill? What is the composition? Huh? You are not well. You are not well. But you can keep your ears open. Or you want to take rest. But try to, because you have taken the trouble of coming to class, then why not utilize it? We are not telling, just listen. That will be a good help during your cramming of knowledge afterwards. পরীক্ষার সময় অনেক বেশি পড়তে হয়, তাই তো? এখন একটু শুনলে এটা মাথায় থাকে। Okay, we are doing it in piecemeal. We are not cramming in. I'm trying to drill in because you don't have to go back and go through your books. Take a seat. নাম দুটো একটু জানতে হবে। ইস্ট্রোজেন প্রোজেস্টেরন বলতে হবে, কম্পোজিশন ডিটেলসে জানতে হবে। ইথিনাইল ইস্ট্রাডিওল and levonorgestrel or desogestrel. Okay, this is mostly in market হচ্ছে levonorgestrel and ethinyl estradiol. ঠিক আছে, হাই তুললে হবে না। Yawning is contagious. If one yawns, the whole class yawns. Either there is hypoxia, ব্রেনে অক্সিজেন কম যাচ্ছে, মাথায় ঢুকছে না, সব অক্সিজেন blood supply has gone into visceral circulation. You had your lunch, so cerebral circulation কম যাচ্ছে. So you have to wake up, please. Give me the composition. That much you were awake. Thank you. আচ্ছা, আর কি বলছিলাম? হ্যাঁ, if you miss a pill, if you miss a contraceptive pill, how many active pills are there? 21. So there are 3 weeks. First, second, third week. Suppose you have missed a pill in the first week. One pill you have missed. Patient has come to you, ডাক্তারবাবু একটা পিল খেতে ভুলে গেছি. What am I to do?
You have to ask whether for less than 40.
I have given you the history. She has missed a pill in first week.
Less than 40 hours or more than 40 hours?
First week বললাম. She has missed a pill. Missed a pill মানে কি? একদিন হয়ে গেছে. When do you take the pill? How many pills do you take a day? One. So if you miss a pill, 24 hours have gone. Just a minute. Answers from the end, please. Please get up. What will you advise? You will have your turn to answer, please. To take the missed pill as soon as possible. And how will you allay her anxiety about having a pregnancy? ডাক্তার একটা তো মিস হয়ে গেছে, প্রেগন্যান্সি চলে আসবে না তো? What will you tell her? One pill missed in first week. No harm. Take the pill and continue the schedule pack. Complete the schedule pack. You have to advise the patient to take the pill every day at the same time. That is important. Mobile app use করা যায়, alarm দেওয়া যায়. You can tell her, give an alarm at say 11 p.m., 10 p.m., whichever time is convenient, and you will take the pill every day at the same time. That advice is advisable for any medicine if you tend to forget. If you are a very active person, you can forget. If she is traveling, if she is in a workplace, she might forget. So tell her to carry that pill wherever you go. If you spend a night in a vacation, you might forget. Carry the pill. First advice. Take the pill along with you wherever you are and take it every day at the same time. মাঝে আবার ঘুমিয়ে পড়েছে. Are you sick, madam? না, বলো কটা অ্যাক্টিভ পিল থাকে প্যাকেটে? টেক ইউ সিট, প্লিজ গেট আপ. কটা অ্যাক্টিভ পিল থাকে একটা পিলে? 21. And how many pills have you missed recently? One pill. What is the advice given? Take the missed pill and continue complete the packet. And anxiety about pregnancy, you can rest, assure her. Now she has missed 2 pills. What will you do? She has missed 2 pills. Tell her, you take 1 pill. As you remember, take the pill. Finish the pack. Finish the pack. But there is a but here. 2 days have passed. Ask her whether she has had any intercourse during these 2 days. Okay, if she has, then tell her to take an emergency contraceptive pill. What pill do we have here? Easy pill bolbe na. It is a emergency contraceptive. Emergency contraceptive. Take a seat. So what is an emergency contraception and normal contraception? See, emergency contraception, we don't meet with emergency every day. Okay. Every day that I drive home, I don't meet with an accident. But one day I might. That is an accident. But regular pill is a regular pill which you will take regularly. So some patients believe that emergency contraception is the only contraception. They will only take the pill after having an intercourse. That is the idea. That is the general idea. So you have to tell them that even if you are not having regular intercourse, you can have pregnancy at any time. So take the pill every day, the regular pill. This is a regular pill. The 21 pill pack is a regular contraceptive pill. And this is a emergency contraceptive. So if you are asked to pick up an emergency contraceptive pill from this basket, you have to pick up this pill. And what is the composition? Levonorgestrel, 1500 or 1.5 milligram of levonorgestrel. Microgram milligram relation jana ache to? 1 milligram equal to? Bas. So it is 1500 microgram. Start within 72 hours as soon as possible. Now she has missed 2 pills, so you have advised her, if you had intercourse, please take this pill also. And you finish the pack. And now onwards, for 7 days, next 7 days, use backup method. That means use barrier method, condom, whatever. So another backup is required for the next 7 days. Clear? This concept should be clear. 2 pills missed in first and second week, she has missed. Now she has missed 3 pills. Or she has started the next packet 3 days late. What is the method of continuing the packets? You take 21 days, give a 7 days gap, again you take for 21 days, 7 days gap. She has taken the pill, started the second pill pack after say 10 days. So 3 days overdue. Again ask her the same question. If you had intercourse, please take the emergency contraceptive pill. And the second or third week, the pills, whatever is remaining, take a pill, whichever you remember, and you finish the pack. You take it, complete the pack. And you take backup support for 7 days. And you have taken an emergency contraceptive. So many backups we have. তিনটে মিস করলে ও একটা খাবে, ফেলে দেওয়ার কিছু নেই, ওটা কন্টিনিউ শিডিউল অফ করে দাও, পুরোটা ইয়ে করে দাও, কমপ্লিট করে নাও, এন্ড ব্যাকআপ সাপোর্ট ফর 7 ডেজ। মিসড পিল যখন মনে পড়ছে খেয়ে নাও, এন্ড ইউ complete the schedule with a backup for 7 days, and emergency contraceptive pill নিয়েছে। আমার এতগুলো ব্যাকআপ দিচ্ছি, we don't want an accidental pregnancy. It's not wasted. She has taken the wasted pill. When she remembers, she takes that pill and she completes the packet. The way the scheduled packets, you take it. ওরা ও যেটা মিস করেছে একটা খেয়ে নিল, একটা খেয়ে নিল, আর বাকিটা যেরকম শিডিউল সেরকম করলো, ওইগুলো ফেলেও দিতে পারে বা নতুন একটা প্যাকেট শুরু করতে পারে। হ্যাঁ, usually we say take as you remember, take the schedule pills মানে আজকে থার্সডে যেটা পিল ছিল সেটা ওয়েডনেসডেটা ভুলে গেছে, ওয়েডনেসডেটা খেলো, থার্সডে থেকে বাকিটা করে finish the pack. If it is third week is over, fourth week it is inactive pills. It has no value. You throw away that, start a new pack. All these are inactive pills. We are concerned when she is missing an active pill. 1 pill missed, no harm. 1 or 2 pills, you take the pill and complete the pack. If 2 or more pills, 3 pills missed, then you take a backup support of 7 days and take a emergency contraceptive pill. Clear? এটা প্রশ্ন দিতে পারে, ওই কার্ড আসপি যেতে দিয়ে দিতে পারে, that she has missed a pill, what will you advise? This can be given. But suppose now she is on POP, progesterone only pill, and she has missed. What will you do? Here, the time limit is shorter, 3 to 4 hours. So you have to take backup, and you have to, within 4, if it is 4 hours delayed, also that can cause problem. So you tell her to have an emergency pill. Okay, this is for the POP pill. Our contraceptive pill, ye hoye gelo. Centroman is a Centroman is a non-hormonal contraceptive. This is advised. Usually, this is given. We don't give to newly married couples because the return of fertility is bit delayed in these cases. Twice weekly for first 3 months, then once weekly. We prefer the contraceptive with oral, combined oral hormonal contraceptive pills because this you can regulate, and here the cycle is coming at regular intervals. But with this Sevista or whatever this is called, Chaya. Chaya is the government name for it, but this may cause less of periods, even the period is bit irregular. Newly married couple gets confused. So it is not always advised to take this, and this may be advised for some other reasons also, for abnormal uterine bleeding later on. Mostly we use Mala-N, which is levonorgestrel, and ethinyl estradiol, and Mala-D we don't have for government supply, and Overall is a private, yes, Overall same composition, 150 and 30. So that's it. We have discussed the contraceptive benefits, non-contraceptive benefits, contraindications, and absolute and relative contraindications. Now we want a injectable contraceptive. Any idea about injectable contraceptives? This is medroxyprogesterone. It is 150 milligram. Medroxyprogesterone, 150 milligram. Depo-provera name পাওয়া যায়, but in government sector অন্তরা এটা ওটা norethistone enanthet, that is 200 milligram every 2 months, but this is 3 months. Every 3 months you can give this. This can be used postpartum because patient doesn't need to take it every day. What kind of a contraceptive usually a patient wants?
Regular time period.
It should be cheap. It should be available. It should be safe. It should be reversible. She can go back to her fertile phase. It should not interfere with her sexual intercourse. This is independent. All these are independent of intercourse. It is not going to be used during intercourse like our barrier methods, which can cause problem, can cause failure. How do you calculate the failure rate of contraceptive pills?
100 women years. False index.
100 woman years, how do you calculate? How? Pulse index ta ki?
Number of accidents.
Any one of you get up and say, "Hi tullo hobe shudhu shao ami bolbo." Follow. What is Pearl index? Please. No, we are talking about Pearl index. We are not talking about HWI. Pearl index is the number of accidental pregnancies into 1200 into months of exposure, by months of exposure. But this has its fallacy. How many patients have used it, how long they have used, how many have become pregnant, this is confusing. So we use a life table, 100 woman years. Here we calculate the number of accidental pregnancies into 1200, that is 12 into 100 years, that is number of months, divided by months of exposure, means the number of women observed, and into months of use. So we have included in the denominator then patients observed. This is important. Otherwise, how will you compare? Some people have not continued it for long. So they have stopped after 2 months and they have become pregnant. You cannot calculate the failure rate. So you have to make a standard comparable parameter so that we can compare which contraceptives have the least failure rate. Contraceptive pills are have good efficacy.
Highest efficacy বলতে?
Highest মানে pills are having moderate degree of সেটা তো অন্য হলো, এটা আমরা এগুলোর সম্বন্ধে বলছি। ইনজেক্টেবলসও হতে পারে, ওরাল পিলসও ভালো এফিকাসি। হ্যাঁ, সেটা তো অ্যাবসলিউট হয়ে গেল। হ্যাঁ, there is a difference between regular use and typical use and actual use কি একটা আছে, typical use আছে একটা and মানে factually she is not using it for so long. Typical use may cause failure rate and we advocate the most stringent use. So patients always do not follow the norms totally. So there is a failure rate. 100 women years oral contraceptive pills comparatively have the favorable contraceptive efficacy. I'm not talking about IUCDs and this. Among the oral pills, combined oral contraceptive pills have a gain over the other methods of Centroman, এগুলো অন্যগুলোর সঙ্গে। ঠিক আছে? Injectable pills are not very popular because the cycle is not regular at regular intervals with an injectable pills, injectable contraceptives, and it may take time to revert to fertile phase again. Huh? Long-acting reversible contraceptive pills, contraceptive methods. So our topic was on oral contraceptive pills and injectable. In the market, there is another one, norethistron in net-N, that is 200 milligram, and it is given at two months interval. Norethistron enanthem. This is a first generation progesterone, which we don't use it much. We use this depo-proveratype, DMPA 150 milligram. So you will be asked about the composition, use, typical use and actual use. What is the failure rate? What would you advocate? So these are the questions you can expect for your practical orals, etc. Any questions? Sohelitaও, Centroman is আগে নাম ছিল সোহেলি, now it has been replaced with Chaya. It is the same thing, 30 milligram. আচ্ছা, contraceptive emergency contraception, just a minute, emergency contraception can also be done with OCPs. With OCPs, we used to use overall G that had 50 microgram of ethinyl estradiol and কি বলছো, মানে emergency contraception could be used with oral contraceptive pills also. We used 100 micrograms of ethinyl estradiol and 500 micrograms of progesterone. So if you use 4 tablets of regular pills, it will come up to, say, normal it is 30 microgram, it will come up to 120. We need 100, and progesterone is 150 into 4, 600. We need 500. If you take 4 tablets, but what is the problem? Here the patient might vomit it out. Even if the patient vomits out a normal regular pill, there can be less efficacy. Then what will you advise? If she vomits it out within 2 hours, then she is advised to take a pill again. That is like a mispill. take another pill immediately and complete the schedule pack. You have to keep in mind what medicines she is taking. Like if a patient is on antitubercular drugs, can it make a difference in her efficacy of this? Yes. Why? In antitubercular drugs, what do you use? Rifampicin. Rifampicin is an enzyme inducer. It will reduce the efficacy of contraceptive pills. So in these cases, we would like to use either a higher dose of estrogen. Huh? No. Usually এটাকে higher dose করতে হবে. And what are other side effects of OCP? We have discussed about the efficacies and the non-contraceptive benefits and uses. What are the side effects? Side effects, breakthrough bleeding. Breakthrough bleeding usually happens in the initial phase when the estrogen component is stepping up the endometrium. Then we have breakthrough bleeding. Sometimes we might have to use a higher dose of estrogen or 2 tablets together to step up the estrogen level. This is breakthrough bleeding. Patient might have complaints of headache, slight dizziness, initial phases, but these get adjusted. Vertigo, slight loss of libido, mastalgia, these pass off with time after 2 to 3 months of use. When will you ask the patient to come back to you after you have prescribed an OCP? No, whenever there is a scheduled checkup after 3 months, again at 6 months. What will you do when she comes to your clinic? What are the things you will look for? We have discussed how the estrogen is acting on what systems of our body. So what will you look for? What will you check? Look at the vitals. Check her blood pressure, pulse. Why? We want to see whether that is impacting her pressure or not. Cardiovascular system is impacted or not. Pulse, BP, respiration rate, all this you will check. And you will do a abdominal examination, whether there is any hepatomegaly. She might have another disease while she was on OCP. She can have some other disease also. No? So she might have liver disease. So you have to find out whether she is absolutely okay to continue with the pills or not. Okay, now pelvic examination also needs to be done. Abdominal examination, pelvic examination after a general examination. Anemia will be corrected. If she had anemia before and if she is on pills, that will can reduce the HMB, heavy menstrual bleeding will go. So her anemia will be corrected. So you have to see this general survey, the general survey features when she comes to your clinic. 3 months, 6 months, then annually. When will you stop the pill? Right. Absolutely right. I want to take in a pregnancy. You have to stop. Immediately after stopping, you may not have the pregnancy. It might take a few months for the ovulation to come back. When else? When there is a surgery, say. When she is having severe side effects, like she is complaining of visual defects, severe headache, migraines. Migraines may precipitate focal neurological deficits. This is an absolute contraindication. If the patient is complaining that I am having severe headache, you have to find out whether she is speaking the truth or not. You will measure her blood pressure, etc., everything, and find out whether she is giving you facts. Okay, and if she is complaining of, say, severe leg pain, that can herald DVT, deep vein thrombosis. So you have to look for these signs apart from the symptoms that she is complaining of. Or severe chest pain, she might have an MI, myocardial infarction. So this is usually in a later stage, but nowadays patients are more prone to addiction, more stress. So younger patients can present with these features. So you have to be on the alert regarding these parameters. A full physical examination is a must. Before you prescribe also, you have to see whether these factors are not present. Ashlam likhe dilam. Young patient is less like to have diabetes, hypertension, but she might have. She might have essential hypertension. She might have inherited from her family. She's genetically, she might have coagulation defects. Don't give this to these patients. Okay. Any other question? মনে কিছু যাচ্ছে? প্রশ্ন কিছু মনে যাচ্ছে? না ঘুম একদম পেয়ে গেছে? Any improvement from the moment you entered the class and the moment you will leave the class? Any increase in title of knowledge? Huh? Yes or no? So, suppose a patient has missed a pill on 26th day of a pill pack. What will you advise?
27 day 26
26th day. Inactive pill. Tell her to throw away. 26th day bolchi of starting the pill. Listen to my question. তুমি কি করবে বলছিলে? আপনার প্রেগন্যান্সি এসে যেতে পারে। এরকম বললে হবে না। Those were inactive pills. Doesn't matter if you throw away all of them. ঠিক আছে? Try to find out the time when she has missed the pill and whether she had any intercourse within the 72 hours prior to this missed pill. So these are the two pertinent questions you are going to ask. And tell her to show the pill packet. You can find out how many pills she has missed. So when you advise the pill, you have to tell her, please take it every day at the same time. If you don't mention this, she might take it in the morning one day in the evening, and in the afternoon she may have missed in the second or third day. So first advice is take it every day at the same time, please. Triphasic pill এর নাম বলো তো? Triquilor নামে ছিল আগে। Triquilor. Not very popular, not in the market very much now. If you are to advise, which generation of progesterone will you advise? Fourth generation. So that means which progesterone components will you use? Drospirenone. Can you name a company with drospirenone as the? এখন অনেকগুলোই আছে। ইয়ামিনি, ইয়াসমিন এগুলো সব। আচ্ছা আরেকটা we have discussed for 21 pill pack. You can also get 24 pill packs with 4 inactive pills. What is the advantage? Advantage is more of active pills, less of inactive pills. Okay, less chance of, have you heard of PMDD? Premenstrual dysphoria, dystrophy syndrome? PMDD? This happens during the secretory phase. Just before periods, there is a changes in the progesterone levels. Patient complains of depression, confusion. So these will be less. If you put her on pills for a longer period, she will complain less about these symptoms. So 4 days is inactive pill or 4 days off. 24 days active, 4 days off, again start a pill. This is a extended pill, 24 pill pack. Another is an 84 days pill pack. Continuous extended pills. Why use it? We sometimes use it for convenience sake. Patient wants, say, 4 periods in a year. So 84 days, then 7 days gap. So she bleeds only 4 times in a year. This is more common in the Western world. They don't want bleeds every month. This is another way of doing it, and this is also used in endometriosis. We want the patient to be amenorrheic, so there is less bleeds inside. Endometriosis, any idea? I had taken an exhaustive class on that. What is endometriosis? Ectopic endometrial stoma and glands. Ectopic means outside, not at the normal site. So we want to shrink that. So endometriosis can be controlled with a extended pills like this kind. Even this progesterone only pills can help. It is said endometriosis is estrogen specific, estrogen dependent. So if you give progesterone, patient improves. You can use POP pill. You can use injectables. Patient improves. Have you done a class with these IUCDs? IUCD class was done. এবছর হয়নি? না না মানে ফার্স্ট উইকে তো ক্লাস চলছিল, আইইউসিডি ক্লাস চলছিল, নিয়েছে না? হ্যাঁ 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 ওই তো, তা তো ইনসার্শন কিসের ইনসার্শন করেছো? হ্যাঁ বলছো হয়নি, তাহলে একদম ইনসার্শন হয়নি এখানে, এখানে ইনসার্শন হয়নি। আই লাস্ট উইক ডিড ইউ হ্যাভ আইইউসিডি ক্লাস? Huh? What are the IUCDs were used? Copper? Multi-load copper 250, 250 to 3 years, 375 5 years, and 388 10 years. IUCD and hormone releasing IUCD. Progestasert is no longer used. Mirena, LNG IUS. LNG IUS is used nowadays. Progestasert has gone into disrepute. Don't mention it. That was progesterone 38 milligram. এরকম দেওয়া থাকতো. It has increased the incidence of ectopic pregnancy. Mirena is used. It has 52 milligram of levonorgestrel, 20 micrograms per day released, kept for 5 years.